Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. I hope you all had an incredible week and as always, an even better weekend planned ahead. This Fan Feature Friday is going to be a little bit different in how it's presented, guys, because we have a YouTuber, Lion Runner, that presented his vehicle in a video type of scenario. So his channel, guys, I will leave down in the description for you all. He has done stuff to his 4Runner, reviews and everything like that I have not done in mine yet. So maybe there'll be some products over there that you guys are interested in, but again, thank you, man, for sending in your vehicle. I'll get into that in a second, but first, guys, tomorrow, I found one. I found a truck. I am driving quite a bit, just a little bit of ways to go get it, well, to look at it at least, and if it's good, then I will reveal that in tomorrow's video. It will probably be a late upload because I'm gonna be doing about 12 hours of driving tomorrow, but I will let you all know. So let's get into this Fan Feature Friday, guys. Have an incredible weekend, and I will catch you guys in the video. Hopefully tomorrow it's a good one. All right, see you guys later.